Going to show you guys how to start a t-shirt business using sublimation and give you a secret that not many people know about sublimation and how you can not use those plastic soccer jersey looking blanks. Let's go.
T-shirt help desk.
It's not anything big and extravagant. It's just a regular looking printer just like this. That is a sublimation printer, and there's so much more to it than just crafting and mugs and tumblers and stuff like that. And I'm gonna show you. We're gonna need some design, so let's go over to Kittle. Went into Kittle and I actually created this one, right? Then I made this one because I'm gonna do a lot of workout stuff. Then I went over to Dreams Time, right? I found this one, and we're gonna do some yoga with this one. So guys, let's print something. This is a Sawgrass 1000. Paper goes here, right? And we can pull it out and extend so we can get 11 by 17 paper, okay? But you want to make sure that you put that part with the stripes on the back face down, close it up like that. Look at that. We have our first one. And now our gym stuff. And there's a reason why we're doing that. One of the great things about sublimation is how easy it is, right? There's no powders, there's no adhesive, there's no marrying, there's no two-step process, there's no pre-treatment, nothing. You just print it, put it on the t-shirt, and press it, and you're done. What's the catch? There's no catch.
There's always a catch.
Okay, well, some people think that these things are a catch.
You gotta use polyester with sublimation.
Usually sublimation blanks are these shiny, plasticky, or these soccer jersey looking stuff. What if I told you there was something that was really close to jersey? And it's actually by this company called Jerseys. They're called Jersey Dry Power Sports T-shirts. And in my opinion, they're the closest to jersey. Is it 100%? No. But to me, they are the closest to jersey t-shirts that are polyester you can get. Let's print one, all right? So we're gonna line up our artwork with that t-shirt help desk ruler. We're gonna just put it right there. And we're gonna tape it down. Always wanna tape down when you're using sublimation because it could slide and it can ghost, right? We're gonna add our sheet and we're gonna print this one at about 400 degrees for about 45 seconds to a minute. We're gonna pull it out, peel once. Gonna let it sit there because it's so hot. Peel twice. And guys, look at that. Look at those vibrant colors, right? Look at this. You can do a real t-shirt business. Not just crafting with friends and family, but something you can put in the store and make money. So guys, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret that not a lot of people know, right? When you go to a store and you see like Nike Dry Fit or like Climate or something that is wicking, is made for athletics and all this stuff, all that stuff is polyester, right? Or some like polyester blend. Because here's the deal. Polyester is actually made from plastic, all right? And plastic is made from oil, okay? Now, your sweat is pretty much like a form of water, and oil and water, as we all know, don't mix. So what it does is like it won't go together, so it will push that moisture away, right, outside of the fabric, and it'll just dry. And that's why all of that stuff that you see ain't nothing but some polyester. Now, with that being said, this means that by using polyester, you can get into like sports apparel, and you can push your brand as something for workout or yoga or CrossFit or something like that. So the polyester blank can actually be an advantage as opposed to a disadvantage. So with that in mind, let's print some more, right? So let's get this Gymaholic all squared up and taped up, and let's print it. Same 400 for about 45 seconds. Pull it out, peel, and reveal. Now take a look at that. Now get a good look. And also with sublimation, no hand feel, right? Now let's look at this one. Train hard, right? Look at how good this looks. And this is why sublimation is perfect for the fitness industry.
Yeah, but you can't really do colors with sublimation.
That is a myth. You can't do dark colors. Well, you can do it, but ink on something like this is not going to show through, right? But you can do lighter colors. Let me show you.
We have this tonal color with the yoga. This is the yoga-ality. And look at this, eat, sleep, work, train. And you can see that yellow pop.
So anyway, guys, sublimation is amazing. I strongly suggest that no matter what you're doing, you get yourself a sublimation printer. There's going to be links down in the description box. I fooled around with y'all long enough. I'm going to put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. And make sure you check out this video I did on sublimation a while back. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Until next time, peace.
T-shirt help desk.